Hello from St. Luke's Health System. So at this point, you've likely made an appointment to see a physician online, and you've received an activation code from your healthcare provider. In this video, we'll show you what to expect at that visit. By the way, if you need to register your account or receive an activation code, click on the video link in the description below for instructions on how to do that. Now, we get it. An online appointment with a physician can seem like many things. Confusing, intimidating, maybe a little overwhelming. And if that was your first thought, you're not alone. But we're here to get you more comfortable with virtual visits, since right now virtual visits really are the best way for you to receive the same exceptional care you've come to expect from St. Luke's, while keeping everyone safe. I recently had a chance to sit down with Dr. Carl Dirks, the physician heading up our virtual visits program, to ask him a few questions about what people can expect. Check it out. Right now, I'm sitting in my home, and we're going to access the virtual visit through the mySaintLuke's website. It's also available on mobile devices and tablets with the mySaintLuke's KC app. So at this point, I'm connected to my physician online. Good morning, Dr. Dirks.
Good morning.
So tell me a little bit about virtual visits and how this works.
So virtual visits are a really great way to interact with your clinical team online through the portal. We schedule visits, and using our smartphone apps or our website can basically allow you to one-click and connect to your provider.
So in these online visits, tell me how you can see a patient clearly enough.
I tell you what, the internet is a wonderful thing. We're really basically using similar technology to FaceTime, Skype, Facebook video that we've all experienced now in our personal lives, and it really just allows us to connect with the patient. You know, the most important thing with a clinical visit is to listen to the patient, to understand their needs, and this is a great way to do it.
How are you able to do things like check vitals?
So really that's based on what the patient has access to at home. In essence, we're going to have them check those things themselves. Weigh yourself on a scale, check your pulse, measure that over 30 seconds, and then just report the number to your team. Or if you have a blood pressure cuff, do that self-monitor check and then just report the number, and we're ready to place that into your clinical record and use it in the visit.
So I'm sure that there will be skeptics out there who think that a virtual visit with a physician is not as helpful as an in-person visit. What do you say to them?
We've found that every specialty in our organization has had successful visits and have been able to take care of patients' needs. Now, certainly if they need a procedure, if they need a diagnostic test, we'll have to refer them on or bring them in to our facilities to do those, but those pre-assessments, those descriptions of the clinical situation, this works great for that.
This is something that we have been doing for a while, telemedicine, with some of our specialties, especially connecting them with our critical access hospitals. So this isn't necessarily new technology, is it?
No, that's right. We've done a lot of work between our facilities and have done some home visits as well through technology like this. I think it's really just widening that group of patients that we want to bring into this interaction that we can use.
As patients are walking through this appointment process and getting signed up for virtual visits, if they encounter any challenges, what can they do?
Sure. So we have a few options. Obviously, the first thing they could try is to contact the practice if they weren't able to get their link to connect to their mySaintLuke's portal account. We also have a phone help desk that we can provide people, and I think we'll be adding additional overviews and walkthroughs available on our website as well.
That's great. Thanks for the great care, Dr. Dirks.
You bet.
So now that my visit's over, I'd have my visit summary, instructions, confirmation of any medications I need, and which pharmacy to go to. And it's all recorded right in my medical record. But one more thing, Dr. Dirks. If I need to ask you a question tomorrow, something I didn't think of in the visit, can I send you a message?
Absolutely. We've got the message to patient function present in our mySaintLuke's apps and portal. That goes right to the care team for you, and we're happy to take care of those things.
At St. Luke's, we're here to help you every step of the way as we all become more comfortable using technology to keep everyone safe. On behalf of all the dedicated providers at St. Luke's, thank you for trusting us with your care.